Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off screensaver in our Samsung Galaxy A55. By default, screensaver is turned off, but if it's on for whatever reason and we want to turn it off, we need to go to Settings. Then in Display Options menu, at the very bottom we have screensaver options right here. As you can see, now we have our colors enabled. We can preview how it will look like. We can of course change this option if we want to: photo table, photo frame, photos from our gallery. But if you want to turn it off completely, we can choose none. And now our screensaver is turned off for good. And that's all. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.